Here I have BLACKBERRY Z10 and let me show you how to insert here the micro SIM and micro SD card. So at the very beginning, let me start by pressing the power key. Let me just switch off my BlackBerry smartphone. So let's hold down the power key for 3 seconds. Right now the device is switching off. Let's wait a couple of seconds. Alright, now if you have the back panel, let's remove your back panel. As you can see, I've got my back panel removed already, and let me start by inserting the micro SD. So here this is the slot for micro SD. As you can see, you can insert this card without removing the battery, so you can do it by using the following position with the characteristic edge right here, and let's put this card right here and press it to the end. Alright, so this is the position of your micro SD. Now let's remove the battery by using the following cavity right here, and let's insert the micro SIM card. So here I have my card with the characteristic edge right here. Let's put this card in that position. And let's press it to the end. Alright. That's it. As you can see, you've got your card inserted right here. Now let's put back the battery and press the power key to switch on your BLACKBERRY Z10 and to check out if both cards works properly. Excellent. So now let's find and select the settings. Scroll down and let me find the storage, and as you can see, if you tap the storage details, the media card is inserted, so it means that your device is reading your micro SD, and you can also see right here that the device is reading some kind of the SIM card, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.